In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an employee's email address in QuickBooks Online, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. From login to saving your changes, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have everything you need to complete this task efficiently. Let's get started by signing into your account. Begin by locating the Sign In button. You should see it prominently displayed on the QuickBooks Online homepage. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where it's time to enter your QuickBooks Online credentials. Input your username and password and then hit the Continue button. If you've entered your details correctly, you'll be welcomed into your QuickBooks account. From here, navigate to the Employees section. This is where all your employee data is stored and you can manage profiles easily. Simply click on Employees, which you can find in the main menu area. Selecting it will bring up a list of all your employees. Next, it's time to find the specific employee whose email you wish to update. From your list in the Employees section, locate and click on the specified employee's profile. Doing so will open their detailed information. Among these details, we need to access personal information. To do this, look for the Personal Info tab. You'll normally find this as a subsection within the employee's profile. Once seen, click on Personal Info to proceed. Now that you're viewing the personal information, it's time to make some edits. You'll find the Edit button somewhere on this page, likely near the top or towards the side. Give it a click and you should be all set to update any necessary details. With editing enabled, navigate directly to the email field. Here you'll be able to type in the new email address for the employee. Be sure to double check this email to avoid any errors or mistyping. It's always best to confirm the address with the employee to ensure accuracy. Once you've updated the email, the last and crucial step is saving your changes. Look for the Save button on the screen, which is typically at the bottom or top corner, and click it. This step records your changes in the system, and without it, the updates won't take effect. Upon saving, you can rest assured that QuickBooks Online now reflects your updated information. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully updated an employee's email address in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.